So now what we are going to do is we are going to find out whether a given number is a mobile number or not. Okay, so listen, all of you, listen carefully to me. I am teaching this again and again for you to understand. The question is, you have a value, you have a number, and you wanted to check whether this particular number is consisting only of digits and is having 10 length of 10. Is that clear? So first thing is that you should have that number. This number is the input, and what is the output? Whether that number is a mobile number or not is the output. Clear? So first thing, here I am getting the input n. I am calling this, say, for n or mobile number or first condition, first thing, input value. I am taking n, the number, there should be some value number. Okay, there are two different ways. One, you can directly give this value here. Okay, whatever it is, 1987654, some number is there. I wanted to check whether this is a mobile number or not. So first thing is that I wanted to check whether its length is 10 and whether all these things here are numbers. To check whether all these things are numbers, what I should do, I should use the isNumeric function in Python. So when I write n.isNumeric, the output will be true if it is full of numbers. I got here true. If you write something, say here A or B or something like that, what is the output I am expecting? False. So very simple that it has given you the output whether it is true or false. Now when I use this if statement here, if isNumeric means if this condition is true, it will print it is a valid number. If the condition is false, it will print it is an invalid number. I should use this if statement to check whether the condition here, you can do anything. If n is greater than 10, you can put like this also. If you can put any condition, n is equal to 10, print n is 10, else print n is not 10. Okay, so if I run this, what I should get? What I should get? Not false, n is not 10. Because n is not 10, I am checking the condition. So it is if statement is a statement in Python that is used to check for a condition. That is used to check for a condition. If the condition is true, this particular statement will be executed. If the condition is false, the else statement will be executed. If there is no end statement, it will go to the next statement, that's all. And it is separated by this particular space here. Okay. So it will say n is not 10, n is not 10. This n is not 10 is the output, right? So here, if I give the value of n to be 10, still I won't get it, because still I'll get it is n is not 10. Why? If I put, this is a string and that is an integer. If I put it like this, I'll get the output n is 10. Okay. Because there is a difference in data type. I don't know why it's taking so much of time. Usually it happens much faster. So again I'm getting n is not 10, right? I should get here, when I put n is equal to 10 and then I do that, I should get here n is 10. Okay. Or else there is another way of doing it. I can call this to be integer of n. Okay. I can convert this to integer and put it. Okay. So anyway, see, I got it, n is 10, right? N is 10 when I put it in quotes, but when I remove the quotes, I will get n is not 10. Okay. Okay, when I put it in quotes, I'll get n is 10. You understood? Understood? All of you? So now when I say that if n is numeric, n dot is numeric, then put print n is 10, otherwise print n is not 10. So what will happen? Because it is numeric, it will print n is 10. Am I right? Now you understood? If statements, all of you? Same way, and length of n should be equal to 10. Only then it should print n is a mobile number. Mobile number. N is not a mobile number. Right? So when I am giving 10, what I should get? N is not a mobile number, right? Yes or no? But if I give a 10-digit number here, what I will get? I'll get it as n is a mobile number. So let it take some time to run. I'll buy that. I'll put some. So now when I put like this, I should get n is a mobile number. I believe all of you understood how to do this program. Is there any doubt? Any clarification? Nothing. No, we are not considering that, no. If you have 10 digits and if you have all numbers, it is a mobile number. You can have mobile number starting with 0 in future, right? Now you have it 6. In our days, all mobile numbers were starting only with 9. We didn't have any numbers other than 9. But in future, you may be having numbers starting with 0. So you got the value that n is not a mobile number, no? This is for the previous one. There are some issues with the internet. I think that's the reason why it is taking so much of time to process. I don't know why. Is there anything that I need to clarify? You can do it, right, all of you?